What is up, guys? Today is a Sunday and we have small modification to be done. Actually, it's my friend's car. That car. Right now we want to carry his body part, so we need my green Jeep. And right now Flavian is trying to reverse the car, but he's not moving, not sure why. It's hot, ain't it? But it's harder to drive, Flavian, with the aircon on. Yeah, you control your minyak lah, practice your manual.
What do you mean practice?
Yeah, that's Flavian trying to reverse the car. He's reversing the car because we have to keep some of the stuff inside Bluetooth. It's not getting the car right. Come on, man. It's just a damn Jeep. How hard can it be? You setting inside there, boy? Yes. Okay. That's nice. Oh, it died again. I didn't know my Jeep is that hard to drive. Was it that hard? So that is my daily car. But yeah, we gotta store the seats here. Okay. We have moved the chair to the Bluetooth. The next store. Okay, well, let's go get your body part, jom. Right now we are on the way to Flavian's house to pick up his body part. Go to Flavian's house. Sweat yesterday, sweat today, but my Jeep fits in and we're on the way to Hidden Workshop. Don't scratch my tin, my brother. Just keep shaking, just don't scratch. Have arrived at Hidden Workshop. Look at all these white cars. Favorite sound. Ready? Look at my bumper, Mark, shiny or not? When you first buy Inspira, what Vian?
Bumpers.
Yeah, Lancer bumpers. That is our project today. Change Inspira front bumper, side skirt, and rear bumper to this boy. With all our tools ready. Yeah. So there's a screw, Mark?
No, this is the clip.
Or the clip?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 on both sides.
3 on one side and clear view. Yes. That's 1, 2, 3. So 3 here and 3 one side.
There's always one clip. Always one clip. So tomorrow how? Huh?
There's 40 walk.
Yeah. There's always this one clip. That time Maki car also same.
Yeah, that is a takeout.
Right.
Perfecto.
Come on, man. Come on.
It flow. There's a screw. Where is the screw? Oh, the reverse camera screw. Ta-da! But does this car actually come with a reverse camera?
Depends on the spec, I guess.
This car memang got reverse camera one, huh? Mark.
This one is 2013 above, right? 15. 15 ada.
Oh, memang factory reverse camera lah.
Video review kawan.
Video review kawan. Burit. Okay, reverse camera off ah.
Need the
Apa lagi?
electric ratchet.
Electric ratchet.
Dah tak balik punya.
Open day. Go one side. Open. Perfecto. Middle here bukan ada screw lagi Mak?
Ada? No,
No kah? Just tarik keluar ni ha.
Wait. There's one clip.
Oh, there's also screw here. Then another 2 bolts here. Bila these bolts open? Didn't realize it. Oh, the end just now open.
Yeah, open.
Oh, okay. Yeah, notice me senpai. And then clip. Yep, at the bottom here.
It's held by one clip. The
Yeah.
other one hilang already.
Gone.
I've been deceived.
Now can open already.
We need to careful lah the
This part lagi sangkut.
reverse sensor.
Reverse sensor cable.
Ah shit, there's one more clip.
Where?
The bottom.
Careful the P. P of doom. That's not the one. So this one meaning ada another clip here. Oh, okay. There's another clip there.
Oh really?
Yeah. Oh, that one quite tricky the slot.
Yeah lor. One maki one have this clip eh.
Mystery. Let's yeah, it does. Lovely dust. Viens.
I'm struggling. I'm trying my best.
1 hour later.
Am I James May?
1 hour later. Okay, it flew.
How did those take out this thing already?
Yeah, I know, right?
Ah.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Take out. See?
Oh, wow.
What? What thing?
Serangga
Then.
hanging. Oh, look at all those dust.
Itu kebetai, lain.
Itu dia.
Udah LMS tolong.
Supported by.
Boss is here.
Nice.
This one.
The dust.
That's cool ni. Oh ya ho. Sekali saya dah reverse sensor itu.
Yeah. That one don't have reverse sensor, so I have to use this bracket. A bit heavy.
Sure.
One sensor to rule them all. Put in the middle.
One in the middle only. No. Maybe the connection is just inside there.
Yeah.
Jadi this
So hard
one
to open lah.
totally hilang.
See the inside, Mark? Tengok. Oh my god, can't see shit, dude. Korek lubang for the reverse sensor, even though one is not connected later.
This one to one in the middle.
Satisfaction, you see.
Eh, salah direction ah? Ya, salah direction.
Oh.
Someone.
Perfecto mundo. Small screw. Can you chop through or not?
Don't know. Oh, this one cannot. This one flat one. Oh. Dah marking lagi.
Ya lah, true. Kan kah? Cannot wiring ha, true.
Because this one got reverse camera.
Oh, can only cabut the casing only.
Yeah, I mean, if now double the casing, change the bulb.
Ya lah.
Change to LED one.
This one is LED one kah?
No, this one is the.
Oh. Now lighting also modified. Oh, yo.
Dah lah. Kau lah.
What's up?
So how?
Looks good. Buka Bien, buka.
Wow, my
For the sake of LED.
hand is getting hot.
Huh? Oh no. My future. Brighter than my future. Let's see how our future look like. Whoa! I see no screw. Black color screw.
If don't have, use the other bumper one.
No. It's black color.
Black and short.
Black. Team's favorite. Looks decent.
Alright. I feel so productive today.
Beautiful.
Like? Yeah.
Lock here.
No.
Mark here. Extending the reverse sensor wire.
Thôi. Paha. Hey, wing. Wing.
Okay. Become wiring expert. I suck at wiring. Man. Don't know why my bulb never light up after I wire. Extended wiring.
Lepas tu jom kan nanti ikat.
Apa naik?
Sui.
Cuy. Sebelah je ada bunyi sensor. Lepas fitting jangan ketat belok. Reverse sensor, reverse camera on. Pergi tengok alignment.
Tudu. Okay. Time for front. Clean. Bit of dust there only. Clip power. Clip in front.
This is every time the Inspira starter pack one.
Yeah.
Goodbye, my friend.
How many clip is this? 1,
2,
2,
3, 4.
3, 4, huh?
Can you take this one?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips to open. Need to jack come out? No need. Many clip.
Kau bukan kerja Firdaus kaki nak buka.
Okay, one.
Ya, perlu jack.
Oh. At the center there. Got one. How many bolts are there, Bien? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bolts. How many clips do you open, Mark?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 clips.
This side.
Oh, 6 ah. Ui, banyak also. Easy life using this.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is strong. More clips at the side. Just like that, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, already.
Sketchy.
Sketch. 2 clips here. The bolt need to open, Mark? That one. Oh, so need, huh?
Alibaba.
AliExpress. 4 bolts.
Alibaba.
One more. Dalam.
Inside.
1, 2, 3, 5. Oh.
5.
Jojong.
Dah.
5 bolts. Oh, here. 2 more. Patah yang hal.
Ini berapa sih ya? Sana pun sama.
Pandai. Damn soft that thing.
Oh, crispy ya.
Nah, crispy. Eh? What?
Tomorrow lagi. Dilan tipu ni.
Dylan. Oh, nasib si bet RM50. Hah?
Kasihan kawan saya. Perasaan dia pula.
Angkat satu orang. That one is aftermarket kah what? That one. Ya kah?
Sorry yo. I don't know how no.
Don't have. Ours don't have.
Kita saya dah apa?
Maki also they don't have. Oh.
Okay, this one connect to. Yes. White color.
Ya, what color?
Interesting. Boleh bolt on sudah. Oh. Mitsubishi.
Fog lamp, my friend.
Susu.
Okay, fit.
To fit in the support. Oh, sweet lamin.
Tastes not. The dust doesn't taste that good.
Since 2008 this one. Side skirt has 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Daus is opening the 6 screws. Six screws.
You need to buy new one.
So we have done installing the front bumper from Lancer GT 2000 and what Vian? 2008 and side skirt and also the rear bumper. Doesn't look like a Proton anymore. So yeah, that's our video for today. For those of you who wants to change your Inspira going to Mitsubishi Lancer, I know that you guys likes to drive imported cars instead of Proton. This is a good start. So yeah, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and Vian, bye bye.